I'm going to be your teacher of catfishing for the next 10 minutes, so stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Alessia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a no makeup look with glowy skin, glass skin, whatever you want to call it, okay? In other words, catfishing. No, I'm kidding. Like, it's just a natural makeup look, okay? That's all it is. So, you're basically gonna look like you have no makeup on, but like you have makeup on. You know what I'm saying? Before I start, go follow my Instagram, little self-promo here. And subscribe. I'll wait. Okay, I'm not naked, by the way. I just took in that it looks like I'm naked. I'm not. Maybe. Okay, so usually I'd cover like literally my whole face with concealer, foundation, whatever. Today, we're not doing that. We're just covering the impurities, the whatever I want to not show off to the public. See, normally to do this, I would use concealer, but it's no longer my color because I went outside and I tanned. So I'm gonna be using my foundation. It's Too Faced Born This Way 24-hour matte. This is not good. Why is it matte? Okay, we're gonna work with what we have. You know what? I literally just lied to your face. We're actually using sunscreen first. I have the Tree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. This just makes my skin look really glowy, so it's a good start for the skin, you know? So I got it here. I'm gonna put it on my face. Look how glowy I look already. Girl. So as you can see, my skin looks really glowy right now. Damn, bitch. Anyway, I feel like this looks glowy just because of the sunscreen, but you can use literally anything. Just make your skin have a glowy base to it, if you know what I mean. Now I'm starting to think that this was a bad idea because it's literally matte and we're going for a glowy look here. So, I mean, we will work with what we got, but if this turns out like no, it won't. It won't. Okay, so I'm just gonna cover a pimple and my under eyes. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Try not to cover a lot of your skin because it's just gonna take away from the no makeup look. I actually lied. I'm not tan enough for this yet. So we're gonna go with the concealer. Okay, so now I'm using the Tarte Clay Stick Concealer. So we're just gonna cover this pimple and then not even a lot here. Just a bit. And this will like brighten your eyes too because this is lighter than me, so. Look how shiny my forehead looks right now. What the f? The key to this whole look is blending. If you don't blend it out properly, you're gonna look like you have makeup on, and that's not the goal here, okay? It's not the goal. Okay, now that my skin looks covered, nice, we are moving on to eyebrows. I usually don't fill in my eyebrows, so this is a shocker that I'm putting on less makeup than usual to look natural, but I'm doing more. So, but it makes up for the other stuff that I'm not doing. Okay, so I have the Fenty Beauty stick. So we're just gonna start by brushing them upwards. This is really close, I'm sorry. Okay, we're barely gonna fill them in. We're just gonna do a line at the bottom of both, okay? This is really hard to do it in this camera. So we're gonna do it in my mirror. Sorry for this close-up. Girl, I done messed up. Okay, our next step, because you could probably see the line if you look really close, we're gonna brush it up like really hard. Now to keep them in place, I'm gonna use the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. Brush them upwards. This is how I look right now. Next, we're gonna do freckles. See, I don't really have freckles, but I get some in the sun. You can't even see them. There's like 5 there. Girl, I'm about to break. Did it fucking snap? Anyway, we're taking the same eyebrow pencil and just dotting some lines on. You're gonna wanna press it down and then twirl. See, there's one. Don't press too hard because then they're gonna look fake. Well, they are fake, but we're trying to look natural here. So just make like a couple big ones and then some other small ones, just dotting it. I'm gonna go on my nose too. Okay, so don't worry, it's not gonna look this bad. You're gonna wanna grab a beauty blender and lightly, like really lightly, pat them in. Don't go too hard because they're literally gonna disappear. Sorry for that close-up again. I'm literally just looking at myself. I think I need more. Okay, now that looks fake. That's not good. Freckles are literally so cute. Why can't I like naturally have more? I literally have a patch of like 5. Okay, next is blush. We did these, what are they called? Freckles. We did these before on purpose because putting blush over them is gonna make them look less harsh. I don't even know if you guys could see them. I can, so. Okay, for blush, you're not gonna wanna use something that's like really pink. You're gonna wanna use something with like a reddish orangey undertone so it looks like you're just sun-kissed. It doesn't look like you're putting on blush, you know? And usually I would just do it on my cheeks, but we're gonna do it across my nose so it looks more sun-kissed. Also, when I said reddish undertone, I just meant orange. Just orange, orangey pink. Not fully pink, you know what I mean? I'm also putting some under my eyes. Not a lot, just so it doesn't look like I have concealer there. You know what? I'm putting more because they kind of disappeared. Okay, that's perfect. Next, we're gonna do a slight, oh my god, I didn't even show you the blush I used. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills. Doesn't even say the blush name, okay. Well, it's this one, so. Anyway, next we're gonna do a slight contour. Not too much to the point where it looks like you're wearing makeup. That's the whole point of the video. I can't get over how shiny my forehead looks. Like, I don't know if I look stupid or hot. I'm using the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette because it's not harsh. And make sure you blend it out because it's gonna look stupid. If it's not, it's gonna look like you're wearing makeup. Okay, next is bronzing, but I'm literally gonna bronze with this. Okay, we are done that. It's just gonna give you like a sun-kissed look so it looks natural, not like makeup. Okay, next we're gonna top it off with some more freckles. Except we're not gonna be using the eyebrow pencil anymore. We're gonna be using this MAC palette. And we're gonna be applying it with this little point on this brush. Because freckles aren't the same color, so to make it look more natural. I'm using the other brown too, the lighter brown. And we're just gonna blend that out again. I'm also gonna lightly contour my nose. And just to give my face more definition, I'm just gonna go in my inner corner with the contour. Okay, this is literally the most important part. Literally my whole brand is made of this. Like my whole persona is highlighter. So we're using the Fenty Beauty Stick. It's suggested that you use a stick because it looks less like highlighter. So I'm just gonna lightly pat it over my and make sure you blend it really well so it doesn't look like you literally just did a streak of highlighter. And I always put some on my nose. Make sure you blend that out too. And on the inner corners of my eyes. As you can see, it doesn't even look like highlighter. It just looks like sweaty, I guess. Hold up, I'm actually gonna put some right here. And take the excess and put it up here. Just above my brow. Look-y feeling myself, goddamn. Next is lips, so I'm putting on the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. Cause it's not gonna look like you have anything on except like lip balm, so. There's no color, it just plumps your lips. This shit about to be burning in about 2 to 3 minutes, so. Okay, and the last step is setting spray, just to finish off the glowy look. So I have the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. It's almost out, so I'm gonna cry, but yeah, we're using that. Okay, can we take a moment, like, for how glowy my face looks? Like, I look like a disco ball, goddamn. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope I taught you a little something on how to catfish. Cause girl, does it look like I'm wearing makeup right now? No. You might be saying yes, but it doesn't, okay? Look at my freckles. They're so cute. Anyway, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what you want to see from me next, share with your friends, subscribe, click the bell to get notified every time I post, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you.